Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook grilled fruity meat wings. Before we start, please subscribe and on notification button so you will be the first person who watch my latest video. Cut the apples, orange and pineapple into smaller pieces, then blend together with 1 cup of water. Use the Thermomix blend function for 30 seconds or can use the juicer to blend it. Take the juice only and filter out the pulp. Squeeze out the lime and the lemon. Grate the orange skin. Add in the honey and salt. And mix well. If you like, you can add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to make the wings color looks nicer. Marinate the wings in the fridge for 1 day. Now we can arrange the wings by using the satay skewer. If you like, you can add some cherry tomatoes and paprika. If you like mushrooms, can add the shitake mushroom or the baby king oyster mushrooms. I like to put the dry herbs and few orange slices before I bake the chicken to add more flavor. Then bake for 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. After 20 minutes baking, you can flip over the chicken. It's done, ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye.